Get the book. What? No, you're skipping pages. Come here. What's that?
The walker.
What's this?
No. No. What's that?
What is it?
That's all.
Death Star. Good job.
What's that?
What is it?
The walker.
Good job.
What's that?
What is it?
I just know.
Tatooine.
Yes, it's Tatooine.
Yes. Okay. What's that?
The Rancor.
The Rancor. Who's that?
Chewie.
Chewie. What's this?
No.
We missed a page?
What's that?
What is it?
I did good jokers.
Yes. Good job. What's this?
What's the Falcon?
Millennium Falcon.
I didn't know.
Snow. Good job. That's Hoth.
I did Goldie.
Yep. Where's this place?
Moasri.
Mos Eisley. Good job. Who's that?
Han Solo.
Han Solo. What's he in?
Carbonite.
Carbonite. Who's that guy?
Wanda.
Lando. Who's this?
After hot.
Jabba the Hutt.
After hot.
Who's that?
After pizza.
C-3PO. Who's this?
Creepy show.
What's this?
R2.
R2. Who's this?
Pizzeria.
Princess Leia. What does he say?
That's a trap.
It's a trap.
Pizza.
Good job. Who's that?
Double.
Who?
The Peter.
Darth Vader. Who's?
Pizza.
Good job. Who's that?
Yoda.
Yoda. Who's this?
He had to break it.
Who's that?
No.
No? Oh, I'm gonna break it. Okay.
He got yellow book.
Very good job.